Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Deborah Mdmpina, 27 years old, single. I live in Puerto Isabela, Philippines. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister, and I am the 5th child of the family. I am a college graduate and with a degree Bachelor of Arts in English.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I became a domestic helper here in Philippines for 2 years, where I served 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 child. My duties to them is doing household chores like cleaning, washing dishes, cooking, and taking care of the child by tutoring her.
Okay.
And after that, I became a volunteer teacher for 1 year, where I teach children how to read and write.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
If the child is sick, I make sure that the child is safe. If the child is sick, I check her body temperature, and if she is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, responsible, reliable, and honest person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness
No, sir.
before? Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to support my family and help them financially, and I want to save money for my future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
My brothers and sister.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work. I will make myself busy to do my duties and responsibilities, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after work is done, and wake up around 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will make myself calm and more patient when dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visit the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I'm also willing to extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and reliable. I can also do multitasking. If you hired me, I promise to do my duties and responsibilities with all my heart and to serve your family with my best. Thank you.
Okay.